The 12-volt compact door kit gives you everything you need to add access control to a door. It features a light, compact 4X polycarbonate enclosure that is 10 inches by 8 inches by 4 inches. Very lightweight and compact. It complies with NEMA IP66. It can be used indoor or outdoors. It has a nice solid latch that is lockable with a padlock, and its captive oil-resistant gasket provides a positive seal. The power supply allows you to use any nearby power, including an exit light. Our 12-volt compact door kit can be powered by 110 volt AC, 240 volt AC, or 277 volt AC from North America. We have included the Wago connectors for quick and easy connection. This door kit includes a Surefire DS004 Wiegand bridge. It works with any Wiegand protocol. Has one Wiegand input for card readers and keypads. The bridge can provide power for 2 relay outputs, wet or dry, for 12-volt DC door strikes or 12-volt DC maglocks or other 12-volt DC door hardware and accessories. It has a wire block for quick wiring of the Wiegand and relay inputs and outputs. There is space provided for a battery backup. The battery is not included. The 12-volt compact door kit is your all-inclusive power and door control solution for 12-volt only installs. Commercial door kits are also available for 24-volt DC application needs. Visit Surefire.com for more information. Let Surefire take care of all your power and control wire needs.